in trying to manage.
Governor Ipatas is calling on the national government to seriously look into imposing travel restrictions in which those who will be traveling by air or sea must be vaccinated to be allowed to do so.
But for you to want to travel with other people and to put these people at danger, I think it is only fair that everyone who wants to travel must be vaccinated. That is to ensure that you have your freedom not to be vaccinated. It's your choice. But if you want to travel, you cannot put people at danger.
Ipatas says he has gone down to districts and villages to help the provincial COVID-19 task force committee to conduct awareness on COVID, yet people remain skeptical of the virus and the vaccines. He blames the misleading and false information being posted online, which is causing confusion, and people are not following the new Plapasin protocols or getting vaccinated.
A lot of criticism against the Prime Minister and the government. Why are we being illogical? In a sense, stupid, to condemn a government that is trying to save your life.
Enga Provincial COVID-19 Task Force Committee Chairman and Provincial Administrator Dr. Samson Amian also shares a similar sentiment, given the high illiteracy rate in the province and misleading social media posts have made it difficult for people to understand the pandemic. Despite their efforts to impose lockdown measures in the province and the health workers treating COVID patients with limited resources available, the challenge to give out correct information remains as people tend to believe social media posts more.
We don't have any other additional funding. What we have, we're using a recurrent budget to assist with the operations thus far. Of course, the social media is not helping us in this regard. If the social media could relax and let's face the thing together for the good of our people, it would be good.
In spite of this, the provincial government has provided 1 million kina to the Provincial COVID-19 Task Force Committee and the Provincial Health Authority, and has also built an isolation center. Governor Ipatas says people have the right and freedom to choose not to get vaccinated, but they do not have the right to put other people's lives at risk.
You can see people are dying in numbers now. What more do you need to convince you this virus is a killer?
Meanwhile, the new isolation ward is equipped with beds that have their own ventilators, monitoring machines, oxygen bottles, resuscitation machines, and trolleys. The ICU ward has electric beds and leg massage-like socks to help move very ill COVID patients' body muscles for blood circulation.
So we got this mattress here. It's an electrical one. When it's on, that's when it moves, so that at least you don't, there's no pressure, so stable.
So far, since the start of the surge of COVID-19 in the province on September 13th, the Provincial Health Authority has recorded 124 admissions and 28 deaths. A total of 113 health staff were infected. All of them have recovered, while one died who was reported to have had underlying medical conditions and is over 65 years of age. Vasinata Yama, National EMTV News, Mount Hagen.